press the bell icon and never miss any update from BSSJ.
Please enable CC or closed captions.
Hello friends, my name is Bigger Smile and welcome to Bigger Smile SJ. Here is a new tutorial video in my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can fix oops, a network occurred issue in Tencent Buddy Emulator. Let me first show you the issue which happens in emulator. Here is the issue. Now without further ado, let's start the tutorial. It's 3-step process. First step is delete proxy file in registry. Path will be in the description. Delete that last file. Step 2. Give permission to all user of that folder. Give the full access. Now step 3 is reset internet settings. Go to start menu and find for internet options. Go to advanced. In that first restore settings. And then reset. Now the issue is fixed. Let me show you that. So this is for now. For more hacking and tutorial video, please subscribe my channel. For any issue, comment it down. I am Bigger Smile and I am signing off. Bye.